At how to create a new layer in the AutoCAD. So for this purpose, first of all, we open the AutoCAD file. So you can see it's open now. So we will go to the layer option. There are separate kind of layer options over there. You can check on the top area, from where you can make different functions, which we study later on one by one. But today our main focus is how to add a layer. So we come and we click over here, and you can see we have separate different kind of layers already present in the sheet. We can increase its size. So you can see we have different kind of layers already inside. So there are different options over there. So we create on a new layer. So we can give a name, like I'm giving as name column. Then from here we can change the color of our layer, our line, what should be. So I'm choosing the red color. Next is the type of the layer. You want straight, hashed, dashed, whatever you want. You can type of line you want, you can select. From here you can choose the thickness of the line. So I use the default. Okay. So next, now our layer has been added already in our file. I close it, and from the top we select our layer. Now see, I will try to draw a line. So you can see our line is drawn in red color as we have selected. Thanks for watching. Keep in touch.